Design aptitude and drawing aptitude are the two major topics to crack NID entrance examination. Let's get into drawing aptitude. Let's start with freehand drawing. Let's start with holding the pencil. How to hold the pencil while you are drawing? Basically, we used to hold the pencil with 3 fingers. We'll draw, write, whatever it is. But there are some techniques in drawing where to catch pencil, like how to catch pencil, to draw straight lines, to draw curve lines. So here, my hand is moving here itself, so it is difficult to move further. So if I hold the pencil little bit far from the lead, I can move easily to do curve line. So simultaneously to do circle, I can hold like pencil like this. I can make it like compass. I can make proper circle by using catching pencil